Alright, so if you guys haven't heard yet, there is a storm that is possibly on the way to us once again. I know this account has a bunch of people that love storms because I was posting about them when I was pregnant and the year before that and when we had Ian, and I actually made a dedicated channel just for storms. So I'm going to put the name of it right here, and I'm going to be covering all the storm there instead of here so that people don't get mixed up. I know some people like the family videos, some people like other videos. So I made a hurricane channel just for that.